the Environment and Sustainability Specialist course. Enter the role of the Environment and Sustainability Specialist. This comprehensive course is designed to equip professionals with the knowledge and skills to address the critical challenges of environmental conservation and sustainable practices. Whether you're new to the field or looking to enhance your expertise, this course offers the tools you need to make a tangible difference. So, what will you learn in this course? The curriculum explores a broad spectrum of environmental and sustainability issues. Topics range from understanding the causes and effects of environmental degradation to learning about laws and regulations that govern environmental protection, to exploring new, innovative technologies designed to reduce carbon footprints. You'll delve into the root causes of pollution and deforestation, as well as the urgent need for a shift toward renewable energy. We'll explore ways to implement sustainable strategies that not only benefit businesses, but also protect ecosystems and reduce environmental impacts. A key focus of this course is problem solving. You'll engage in real-world scenarios where you must apply sustainability principles to current environmental challenges. Whether it's creating sustainable urban plans, reducing corporate waste, or advising on eco-friendly product development, you'll be prepared to offer actionable solutions. In today's business landscape, sustainability is more than just a buzzword. Companies are increasingly recognizing the importance of responsible practices, not only for the environment, but also for their bottom line. As an environment and sustainability specialist, you'll have the expertise to guide organizations toward eco-friendly practices that ensure long-term profitability and compliance with environmental regulations. This course covers a wide range of sectors, from agriculture to manufacturing, energy, and technology. You'll learn how sustainability can be embedded into different industries, ensuring that companies reduce their environmental footprint and contribute positively to the planet's future. Sustainability is a global responsibility, and as a specialist, you'll be at the forefront of leading that change. Upon completion of the course, you'll be equipped to take on roles as sustainability officers, environmental consultants, or compliance specialists. You'll have the skills to drive impactful change in businesses, government organizations, and NGOs, working toward a more sustainable future for all. Join us in shaping a world where economic growth and environmental stewardship go hand in hand. Become an environment and sustainability specialist and be part of the solution for a sustainable future. Enroll today. Your journey toward a greener tomorrow begins now. The future depends on what we do today. Make your impact by becoming an expert in environmental sustainability.